Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Lex for automated conversational workflow. To activate Amazon Lex for automated conversational workflows, you need to follow a series of steps. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. If you do not have an AWS account, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the AWS Services menu. Type Lex in the search bar and select Amazon Lex from the drop-down. On the Amazon Lex dashboard, click on Create Bot. You will be presented with options to choose from default bot settings or custom settings. Select either option based on your requirements. If you choose to create a custom configuration, fill in the bot name and description fields. Select the appropriate language for your bot. Next, you'll need to configure the output voice if you plan to use text-to-speech features. Decide whether to create a new IAM role or use an existing role for your bot's permissions. Ensure that your bot has access to the required AWS services, like Lambda and CloudWatch. Once you've set up the role, proceed to define the bot's intents. An intent represents a goal that the user wants to achieve through the conversation. Create intents by clicking on Create Intent and filling in the name and description fields. After naming your intent, define the sample utterances that users might say to invoke this intent. Sample utterances should be varied to cover different ways users may communicate their needs. Next, configure the slots for your intent if you require specific information from the user. Slots allow you to capture that information during the conversation. Choose the slot types that suit your intent or create custom slot types as necessary. Once your intents and slots are configured, move on to the bot's fulfillment options. You can choose to return responses directly from the bot or invoke a Lambda function for complex processing. If you are using a Lambda function, make sure it is properly configured and has the necessary permissions. Save your changes and return to the main bot configuration page. Test your bot using the built-in test chat interface to ensure all intents are functioning as expected. Adjust any sample utterances, intents, or slots as needed based on your testing. Once everything looks good, click on Build to compile the bot. Wait for the build process to complete before proceeding to the next step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.